How to change business account to professional account in Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to change business account to professional account on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down on the settings and activity page and locate account type and rules. Tap on it. Tap switch to professional account. Select continue button and tap the category that best describe you. Tap done button. Now choose whether you want to create creator or business account and tap the next button. Tap not now if you don't want to share logins using Account Center, or else you can select the continue button. Now set up your professional account, and once you have done that, you need to completely exit from Instagram and close this. Open Instagram, and when you visit your profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen, you will see that your account has been switched to professional account on Instagram. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.